sandpiper. Sandpipers are small shorebirds. They live near beaches and mud flats. They have thin legs and long beaks. They move very quickly. They look busy. Sandpipers run along the sand. They stop suddenly to peck. They search for tiny food. They eat insects and small animals. They feed many times a day. Sandpipers travel in flocks. They migrate long distances. They rest near water. They stay close together. They are active birds. Turnstone. Turnstones are small, strong birds. They live near rocky shores. They have short legs. They look sturdy. They move confidently. Turnstones flip stones with beaks. They search for hidden food. They eat insects and shells. They explore carefully. They are clever feeders. Turnstones migrate far. They travel in groups. They rest on coasts. They return yearly. They are hardy birds. Curlew. Curlews are large shorebirds. They have very long curved beaks. They live near wetlands. They walk slowly. They look elegant. Curlews probe mud for food. They find worms and insects. They feed patiently. They move gently. They are careful hunters. Curlews make loud calls. Their calls sound sad. They migrate far. They nest on open land. They are graceful birds. Whimbrel. Whimbrels are medium-sized birds. They have long, curved beaks. They live near coasts. They walk along shorelines. They move steadily. Whimbrels eat crabs and insects. They probe sand for food. They feed quietly. They work slowly. They are calm feeders. Whimbrels migrate long distances. They fly in groups. They rest on beaches. They return yearly. They are strong travelers. Godwit. Godwits are tall shorebirds. They have long, straight beaks. They live near wetlands. They stand in shallow water. They look graceful. Godwits probe mud deeply. They search for worms. They feed calmly. They move slowly. They are patient hunters. Godwits migrate very far. They travel across oceans. They fly in flocks. They rest together. They are endurance birds. Avocet. Avocets have long, thin legs. They have upturned beaks. They live near shallow water. They walk gracefully. They look elegant. Avocets sweep beaks side to side. They catch tiny animals. They feed gently. They move calmly. They are peaceful feeders. Avocets nest on open ground. They protect eggs. They chase intruders. They raise chicks together. They are careful parents. Plankton. Plankton are tiny sea organisms. They float in ocean water. They drift with currents. They are very small. They are everywhere. Plankton include plants and animals. They form the base of ocean life. Many animals eat plankton. They feed whales and fish. They are very important. Plankton glow at night sometimes. They make water sparkle. They respond to movement. They drift quietly. They are ocean starters. Krill. Krill are small shrimp-like animals. They live in cold oceans. They swim in huge groups. They move together. They look like clouds. Krill eat plankton. They feed near the surface. They migrate daily. They move up and down. They follow light. Krill are food for whales. They feed seals and birds. They support ocean life. They are very important. They keep seas alive. Copepod. Copepods are tiny sea animals. They are almost invisible. They live in oceans and lakes. They drift in water. They move quickly. Copepods eat plankton. They feed constantly. They are eaten by fish. They are a key food source. They support life. Copepods move by jumping. They dart suddenly. They escape predators. They react fast. They are tiny survivors. Sea butterfly. Sea butterflies are small sea snails. They have wing-like fins. They swim like flying. They look delicate. They drift softly. Sea butterflies eat plankton. They feed gently. They float in cold oceans. They move slowly. They conserve energy. Sea butterflies have thin shells. The shells dissolve easily. They are sensitive to change. They warn scientists. They are fragile creatures. Sea angel. Sea angels are tiny sea animals. They look clear and soft. They live in cold oceans. They float gently. They look magical. Sea angels have wing-like fins. They flap slowly, they swim gracefully, they move quietly, they conserve energy. Sea angels eat sea butterflies. They hunt slowly, they move carefully, they are small predators, they are mysterious drifters. Moon snail. Moon snails are round sea snails. They live in sandy bottoms. They move slowly, they bury themselves, they hide well. Moon snails hunt clams. They drill holes in shells. They eat prey calmly. They take time. They are patient hunters. Moon snails have smooth shells. The shells look shiny. They protect soft bodies. They move carefully. They are quiet animals. Limpet. Limpets are small sea snails. They stick to rocks. They live in tidal zones. They face strong waves. They hold tightly. Limpets scrape algae. They clean rock surfaces. They feed at night. They move slowly. They return home. Limpets have strong shells. The shells protect them. They survive storms. They stay put. They are tough creatures. Chiton. Chitons are flat sea animals. They have many shell plates. They live on rocky shores. They cling to surfaces. They move slowly. Chitons eat algae. They scrape rocks. They feed at night. They hide during day. They avoid danger. Chitons curl into balls. They protect soft bodies. They grip tightly. They survive waves. They are ancient animals. Barnacle goose. Barnacle geese are medium birds. They have black and white bodies. They live near cold coasts. They graze on land. They walk calmly. Barnacle geese eat grass. They feed in groups. They stay alert. They watch for danger. They move together. Barnacle geese migrate far. They fly in flocks. They honk loudly. They protect families. They are social birds. Brent goose. Brent geese are dark birds. They live near coasts. They feed on sea plants. They walk slowly. They stay close together. Brent geese eat grass and algae. They graze calmly. They feed in flocks. They watch carefully. They rest together. Brent geese migrate long distances. They fly in V shapes. They return yearly. They stay loyal. They are strong travelers. Shelduck. Shelducks are colorful water birds. They live near wetlands. They have bold patterns. They look striking. They walk confidently. Shelducks eat small animals. They feed in shallow water. They dabble gently. They search mud. They feed calmly. Shelducks nest in burrows. They raise chicks carefully. They lead chicks to water. They guard families. They are protective parents. Widgeon. Widgeons are small ducks. They live near lakes. They have soft colors. They swim gently. They look calm. Widgeons eat plants. They graze on land. They feed together. They share space. They move quietly. Widgeons migrate seasonally. They fly in flocks. They rest on water. They return yearly. They are peaceful ducks. Teal duck. Teal ducks are very small. They live near wetlands. They move quickly. They swim lightly. They look alert. Teal ducks eat seeds. They dabble in water. They feed often. They move constantly. They are busy. Teal ducks fly fast. They migrate far. They travel in flocks. They rest briefly. They are energetic birds. Shoveler duck. Shoveler ducks have wide beaks. The beaks look like shovels. They live near ponds. They swim slowly. They look unusual. Shoveler ducks filter food. They sweep beaks in water. They eat tiny plants. They feed together. They move calmly. Shoveler ducks nest on land. They raise chicks. They protect families. They migrate seasonally. They are gentle ducks. Eider duck. Eider ducks are large sea ducks. They live near cold coasts. They float calmly. They look sturdy. They dive often. Eider ducks eat shellfish. They dive for food. They swallow shells. They digest easily. They are strong divers. Eider ducks use soft down. The down keeps eggs warm. People value the down. They protect nests. They are caring parents. Petrel. Petrels are ocean birds. They live far from land. They fly low over waves. They glide smoothly. They look graceful. Petrels eat small sea animals. They pick food from surface. They feed gently. They move quietly. They conserve energy. Petrels nest in burrows. They visit nests at night, they avoid predators, they raise chicks. They are secretive birds. Fulmar. Fulmars are seabirds. They look like gulls. They live in cold oceans. They fly stiffly, they glide long distances. Fulmars eat fish and squid. They feed at sea, they hunt calmly, they rest on water, they travel far. Fulmars nest on cliffs, they protect chicks. They return yearly, they live long lives, they are tough birds. Tropic bird. Tropic birds are white seabirds. They have long tail feathers, they live in warm oceans, they fly gracefully, they look elegant. Tropic birds dive for fish, they plunge into water, they catch prey, they rise smoothly, they hunt alone. Tropic birds nest in holes, they lay one egg, they raise chicks, they stay loyal, they are beautiful birds. Puffinette? Puffinets are baby puffins. They are small and fluffy. They stay inside dark burrows. They wait quietly. They feel safe underground. Puffinets are fed by parents. Parents bring small fish. They return many times a day. They care patiently. They protect their chick. Puffinets grow strong wings. They practice flapping. They prepare to leave. They head to the sea. They begin life alone. Northern gannet. Northern gannets are large white birds. They have long wings. They live near cold oceans. They fly very high. They look powerful. Northern gannets dive straight down. They hit water fast. They catch fish underwater. They rise quickly. They repeat dives. Northern gannets nest on cliffs. They live in large groups. They raise chicks together. They return every year. They are skilled hunters. Brown booby. Brown boobies are seabirds. They live on tropical islands. They have brown and white feathers. They fly over the ocean. They look alert. Brown boobies dive for fish. They plunge from the sky. They catch prey underwater. They rise back up. They hunt many times. Brown boobies nest on the ground. They protect eggs. They raise chicks carefully. They stay near nests. They are dedicated parents. Masked booby. Masked boobies are large seabirds. They have white bodies. They have dark eye masks. They live near warm oceans. They fly strongly. Masked boobies dive for fish. They plunge fast. They hunt alone. They catch fish underwater. They are precise hunters. Masked boobies nest on open ground. They defend territory. They raise one chick. They stay alert. They are bold birds. Red-footed booby. Red-footed boobies have red feet. They live on tropical islands. They perch on trees. They fly gracefully. They look light. Red-footed boobies catch fish. They dive into the sea. They hunt far from shore. They return to trees. They feed chicks. Red-footed boobies nest in trees. They stay in colonies. They care for young. They return yearly. They are agile birds. Great skua. Great skuas are strong birds. They live in cold regions. They fly aggressively. They protect territory. They look fearless. Great skuas steal food. They chase other birds. They force them to drop prey. They catch food midair. They are clever. Great skuas nest on open ground. They guard eggs fiercely. They attack intruders. They protect chicks. They are tough parents. Lesser black-backed gull. Lesser black-backed gulls are large birds. They have gray backs. They live near coasts. They fly long distances. They are adaptable. Lesser black-backed gulls eat many foods. They eat fish and leftovers. They search beaches. They follow boats. They are opportunistic. Lesser black-backed gulls nest in colonies. They protect nests. They raise chicks together. They communicate loudly. They are social birds. Herring gull. Herring gulls are large white birds. They have gray wings. They live near seas and lakes. They are common birds. They adapt well. Herring gulls eat fish. They also eat human food. They steal food sometimes. They are clever. They learn quickly. Herring gulls nest on rooftops. They protect chicks. They defend nests loudly. They fly strongly. They are bold birds. Black-headed gull. Black-headed gulls are smaller gulls. They have dark heads in summer. They live near wetlands. They fly lightly. They move quickly. Black-headed gulls eat insects. They also eat fish. They feed in fields, they follow plows. They are flexible feeders. Black-headed gulls nest in groups. They raise chicks together. They communicate constantly. They migrate seasonally. They are active birds. Kittiwake. Kittiwakes are small gulls. They live on sea cliffs. They nest on narrow ledges. They look neat. They stay close together. Kittiwakes feed on fish. They catch food at sea. They dive lightly. They hunt calmly. They stay offshore. Kittiwakes raise chicks on cliffs. They protect nests. They return yearly. They migrate long distances. They are ocean birds. Arctic puffin. Arctic puffins are colorful seabirds. They live near cold oceans. They spend most time at sea. They look cheerful. They fly fast. Arctic puffins dive underwater. They catch many fish. They flap wings to swim. They hold fish in beaks. They feed chicks. Arctic puffins nest in burrows. They return every year. They raise one chick. They migrate far. They are strong swimmers. Thick-billed murre. Thick-billed murres are seabirds. They live near icy oceans. They nest on cliffs. They stand close together. They look serious. Thick-billed murres dive deeply. They chase fish underwater. They swim using wings. They hunt often. They are strong divers. Thick-billed murres raise chicks on cliffs. Chicks jump into sea. Parents guide them. They stay together. They are brave birds. Razorbill auk. Razorbill auks are black and white birds. They live near cold seas. They have thick beaks. They look strong. They stand upright. Razorbill auks dive for fish. They swim underwater. They chase prey. They hunt often. They feed chicks. Razorbill auks nest on cliffs. They raise one chick. They protect nests. They return yearly. They are loyal birds. Little auk. Little auks are small seabirds. They live in Arctic regions. They fly quickly. They look busy. They stay in flocks. Little auks dive for tiny food. They eat plankton. They swim underwater. They feed often. They move fast. Little auks nest in rock gaps. They hide eggs safely. They raise chicks. They migrate far. They are hardy birds. Atlantic puffin. Atlantic puffins are seabirds. They have colorful beaks. They live near cold oceans. They spend time offshore. They look friendly. Atlantic puffins dive for fish. They flap wings underwater. They catch many fish. They feed chicks. They hunt daily. Atlantic puffins nest in burrows. They return every year. They raise one chick. They migrate far. They are strong birds. Snowy egret. Snowy egrets are white birds. They live near wetlands. They have black legs. They walk carefully. They look graceful. Snowy egrets hunt fish. They stir water with feet. They catch prey quickly. They move actively. They are alert hunters. Snowy egrets nest in colonies. They raise chicks together. They migrate seasonally. They fly lightly. They are elegant birds. Great egret. Great egrets are tall, white birds. They live near lakes and rivers. They stand very still. They watch carefully. They wait patiently. Great egrets strike fast. They catch fish. They swallow prey whole. They hunt quietly. They move slowly. Great egrets nest in trees. They raise chicks. They return yearly. They migrate far. They are calm birds. Little egret. Little egrets are smaller white birds. They live near shallow water. They walk lightly. They move quickly. They look delicate. Little egrets chase fish. They run and stop suddenly. They catch prey. They hunt actively. They are energetic. Little egrets nest in colonies. They raise chicks together. They migrate seasonally. They fly gracefully. They are lively birds. Cattle egret. Cattle egrets are white birds. They live near farms. They follow animals. They search for insects. They walk calmly. Cattle egrets eat insects. They catch bugs in grass. They benefit from animals. They feed together. They are helpful birds. Cattle egrets nest in trees. They live in groups. They raise chicks. They migrate sometimes. They are adaptable birds. Reef egret. Reef egrets live near coasts. They have white or dark feathers. They stand on rocks. They watch water. They stay still. Reef egrets hunt fish. They move slowly. They strike quickly. They catch prey. They swallow whole. Reef egrets fly short distances. They stay near shore. They nest quietly. They live alone often. They are patient hunters. Glossy ibis. Glossy ibises are dark, shiny birds. They live near wetlands. They have curved beaks. They walk in shallow water. They move calmly. Glossy ibises probe mud. They find insects. They eat small animals. They feed gently. They work together. Glossy ibises nest in colonies. They raise chicks together. They migrate seasonally. They fly in groups. They are social birds. Sacred ibis. Sacred ibises are white birds. They have black heads. They live near rivers. They walk slowly. They look calm. Sacred ibises eat insects. They also eat small animals. They search mud. They feed quietly. They are gentle feeders. Sacred ibises nest in groups. They raise chicks together. They migrate sometimes. They fly steadily. They are peaceful birds. Spoonbill adult. Spoonbills are large birds. They have spoon-shaped beaks. They live near wetlands. They walk in shallow water. They move slowly. Spoonbills sweep beaks side to side. They feel for food. They catch small animals. They feed calmly. They eat often. Spoonbills nest in colonies. They raise chicks together.